You just got placed in your dream company. You cleared every round. You put in more hours than your friend did. You moved all across the world for this. And now the salary is finally hitting your account in dollars. Congratulations, genuinely. Now here's a question nobody asks a 24-year-old who just started working. When do you plan to stop? I didn't mean quit your job tomorrow. I mean, have you ever actually thought about the day you no longer have to work for money? The day when you wake up and the hustle is optional. Most people never plan that day. They just keep running. And then, one morning, 15 years in, they look up and realize they built a great career but never built an exit. This video is about building the exit from day one. There is a movement for this. It's called FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early. The idea is simple. You save and invest aggressively while you're young, so that one day your money earns enough on its own that you don't have to. There's a more comfortable version of it called Fat FIRE. Regular FIRE is about retiring lean, watching every rupee. Fat FIRE is about retiring well. Nice home, travel, helping your parents, not counting every expense. A full life just without the daily grind. That's the version most NRIs actually want. So let me give you a 5-step roadmap to get there with real numbers. Quick note before we start. I am not your financial advisor and everyone's situation is different. So treat this as a way to think, not a set of instructions. Talk to a professional before you make big moves. Let's go. Step 1. Decide your number. This is the step almost everyone skips. They say, I want to retire early, without ever working out what that actually costs. So let's make it concrete. There's a simple rule used all over the world called the 4% rule. It says that if you've saved 25 times your yearly expenses, you can roughly live off that money for the rest of your life, because your investments keep earning while you slowly draw from them. So the math is easy. Figure out how much you want to spend per year in retirement. Multiply it by 25. That's your number. Say you want to have a comfortable Fat FIRE life in India, spending around 3 lakh rupees a month. That's 36 lakhs a year. Multiply by 25 and your target is roughly 9 crore rupees. Want a bigger life? Say 5 lakh a month, 60 lakh a year. Your number becomes 15 crore. It sounds like a huge amount. Well, it is. But you have something the most people don't. You have time and you have a dollar salary. That combination is powerful and we'll get to why. The point of step 1 is simple. You cannot hit a target you have never set. Step 2. Lock in your savings rates early. Here's the most important truth in this whole video. It's not how much you earn that decides when you retire. It's how much of it you keep. Two people can earn the exact same salary. One says 15% and another says 50%. The second person retires more than a decade earlier. Same income, completely different life. When you are young, before the big house, before the car loan, before the kids, your expenses are low. This is your golden window. Your saving rates will likely never be this easy to push high again. So aim high while it's easy. If you can save and invest up to 40 to 50% of your income in these early years, you are setting yourself up to retire in your 40s instead of your 60s. A simple milestone to aim for. By the time you are 30, try to have 1 to 2 times your annual salary saved and invested. That single milestone tells you whether you are on a track or just drifting. Step 3. Decide where you will actually retire. This is the step that's unique to people like us and it's a genuine advantage. You are earning in dollars, but you might spend your retirement in rupees. Think about what that means. The same amount of money that buys you a modest life in a US city can buy you a very comfortable life in many parts of India. This is the single biggest lever an NRI has, and most people never think about it consciously. So ask yourself honestly, where do you want to wake up at your 50? A coastal town in India, a big Indian metro near your parents, staying on in the US, splitting the year between both? Each answer changes your number completely. A Fat FIRE life in India might need 9 crore. The same lifestyle in the US might need 2 or 3 times more than that. You don't have to decide today. But the earlier you have a rough direction, the earlier you can plan your money around it instead of guessing. One practical caution: if you do plan to move back to India, the move itself has tax rules that take planning. There is a transition window when you return where your foreign income is treated differently for a couple of years. That's a whole topic on its own, but just know it exists and plan the move 2 to 3 years ahead with someone who understands both countries. Step 4. Build the engine. Now we get to how the money actually grows, and the answer is boring, which is exactly why it works. Time. Money invested steadily over decades grow in a way that feels almost unfair because the growth itself starts earning growth. The earlier you start, the more math works in your favor. Here is a clean example to feel it. If you invest around 2 lakh rupees a month steadily and it grows at a reasonable long-term rate, you are looking at crossing several crore over a couple of decades without ever doing anything clever, not just hot stocks. No timing the market, just consistency. The two things that matter most are how much you put in and how early you start. Everything else is noise. A simple set of milestones to track along the way: 3 times your salary saved by 40, 6 to 8 times by 45, and somewhere around 25 times your annual expenses. You have hit your number. That's the finish line. Step 5. Build your income for the day you stop. Saving a big number is only half the job. The other half is turning that number into a monthly income you can actually live on once the salary stops. Because the fear that keeps people working long after they could have stopped is simple. What if the money runs out? So the goal is, in the years before you retire, is to slowly shift from growing the money to making the money pay you. You want your investments arranged so that they generate a steady, predictable monthly flow. The same way a salary is used, a practical milestone. In the 5 years before you plan to stop, build a cushion of 2 to 3 years of expenses in safe, easy to access money. That cushion is what lets you sleep at night. Because even if markets fall the year you retire, you're not forced to sell anything at a bad time. That's the difference between retiring early and retiring early with peace of mind. So that's the roadmap. 1. Decide your number. 2. Save aggressively while you're young. 3. Choose where you will live. 4. Let time build the engine. 5. Turn it into a monthly income. Here's the thing nobody tells you at 24. You worked incredibly hard to build this life. The least you owe yourself is a plan to one day actually enjoy it. The American dream isn't just the job, it's the freedom the job is supposed to buy. Don't wait 15 years to start thinking about that freedom. Start today, while time is still on your side.